Is your OBS screen recording looking blurry or just not as clear as the screen you are recording? Don't worry, the problem is usually not your computer screen, it is your OBS settings. Let me show you exactly what to change. Set your base camera resolution to match your PC. Click on Settings at the bottom right. On the left, click Video. Here we have the base resolution and output resolution. The base camera is your PC monitor resolution, and output is your resolution you will get once you stop recording from OBS. Mine is at 1920 by 1080 on the base camera and also on output camera. On the output scaled, I will click on this down arrow. You can see that the highest you will see here is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Now, let's check the base camera. We have 3841 by 2160. I will click on it. I will go down to the output scale again. Now we have it there, right? I'll go back to the base camera. I will set it to 1920 by 1080 in the base resolution. And I will set the output to a lower resolution of 11208 by 720. Then I will click apply and then OK. I will start recording my screen. Here I'm recording my screen. You can see the cursor. I will click stop. So let us see the clarity of the video recorded using the settings above. I will open the folder. There we have it here. You can see that the video is not that clear. You can see on the camera you have this kind of whitish area of the video. I will go to settings again, and you can also access the settings from the bottom or click on file at the top left hand corner. I will click on video. I will set both to 3841 by 2160, which is the 4K UHD. I will click on apply and then OK. I will click on record and then stop. Let us open the folder up and see the video quality. You can see the video is very clear, right? So the only downside is this, and this depends on your PC capacity and the number of things you are screen recording or running at the same time when you are screen recording. OBS may lag. If you notice after these settings your OBS is lagging, I would advise you return it back to a minimum settings. 2. Set FPS. Click on settings again. Click video, come down to common FPS value. You can play around the figure and see the one that works for you. But for me, I will leave it at 60. For a normal screen recording, 30 FPS is usually fine. And if you are recording something with a lot of motion such as gaming, you can use 60 FPS if your computer can handle it. I will click OK. 3. Go to output settings. I will click on settings again. Locate output mode. Click on the down arrow and set it to advanced instead of simple. Then I will click OK. This gives you more control over your recording quality. Number 4. Check your recording format. Click on File. Locate Remux. Click on the 3 dots. This will take you to the folder where your video is downloaded as MKV. If you are just using OBS for the first time, your video will be downloaded or saved as MKV. So you can use this Remux to change it back to MP4. And this also have effect on your video quality. 5. Make sure you are recording with the right source. If you check the source here, I have it active and it is set to display capture. So let me close it. You can see it turns black. To change the source, click on the plus icon here. If you want to record your entire screen, make sure you have it set to display capture. And if you are recording only a particular application that is running on your PC, make sure it's set to window capture. 6. Don't enlarge a low resolution source. Go to your PC search bar and search for window resolution. Confirm your PC resolution level before changing the base camera on OBS, very important. As you can see here, mine supports 3841 by 2160, which is the 4K. Yours might not support it. Make sure you confirm before setting the OBS camera. And after all these settings, make a short recording and you should see a major difference in your clarity. If this helped you, follow for more simple tech tutorials.